So you're not depressed, you're broke. Now you're probably asking, what do you mean I'm broke, not depressed? The reason I say that is because think about your life right now, right? If you're depressed, if you're sad, or whatever the case is, whatever's happening in your life, think about your situation in life and think about if you had £1 million in your bank account right now, how many problems would that solve? I'll probably say 95% of the times, if you had £1 million in your account right now, you'd be happy, right? You'd be fine. The reason I say 95% of the times is because obviously a family death or something else. Obviously there are some things that money can't make you happy with, but a lot of things that it can. If you had £1 million in your bank account today, you'd be happy. A lot of people nowadays, they're sad, they're depressed because it's mainly financials, right? If you had £1 million in your bank account right now and you're feeling sad, you can book a flight to a nice country and I promise you, you won't be depressed anymore. Not only that, money buys freedom. So if you had £1 million, obviously you'd be financially free. You probably never have to work again. If you're smart with the money, you could set up businesses, you could set up investments where that £1 million will constantly generate you money. Now a family death or breaking up with your partner or whatever the case may be, sometimes money might not actually help. However, 95% of the times it will. So when I say in this video, you're not depressed, you're broke, what you then need to work out is you need to make money. So how do you make money? Obviously, if you're new watching this, I'd recommend checking out my channel. If you are a subscriber already, you know that I make a lot of videos on how to make money online. And obviously there are countless ways to make money online. Now I'm expecting a lot of people to type in the comments, oh, money doesn't buy happiness. Money is the root of all evil. All of these dumb things that you were brainwashed as a child to believe that money is the root of all evil and money doesn't make you happy. And the example I use for a lot of people when they say money doesn't make you happy, what if you were to go to your mum one day and say, look mum, you've worked this job for 30, 40 years, you don't need to work anymore. Like imagine that, imagine being able to do that. And you can't do that without money. And this would make you so happy. Like this would make a lot of people happy. Now if you don't have a lot of money, most times you'll be working a 9-to-5 job, you might even be unemployed and you won't be making a lot of money, so you're tied to that job. You've got to wake up when that job tells you to wake up. You've got to work X amount of hours a day, slaving away for money. But if you make money work for you, you no longer need to work for it. So you need to make money work for you, and that way you don't trade time for money, and that basically allows you to have freedom. So money is extremely important because again, it buys freedom. I don't want to hear anyone in the comments type, oh, but rich people, there are a lot of rich people that are depressed, and most of the rich people aren't actually depressed. It's just something that we've been told our whole lives, that a lot of rich people are depressed and miserable. But yeah guys, this is what I mean, right? Money does buy you happiness, and I've already outlined why I think money does buy you happiness. Money 100% buys you happiness. A lot of people, I mean a lot of you are probably watching this from London, a lot of people will be probably watching this from the US. And look guys, I left the UK, right? I'm in Dubai right now. I left the UK with money. You're able to even change your settings, right? Because right now I'm in Dubai. Obviously you need money to move to Dubai. You need money to move out the country. If you look at most of the rich people today, they either own businesses, they have either invested their money in good places, or they've set up systems where they constantly make money. And the saying that you need money to make money is 100% true. You do need money to make money. And if you're starting from the bottom, if you're starting with no money, be prepared to work hard. I mean, you've got to work hard regardless, but be prepared to work even harder if you've got no money. And this is what I say, right? I don't actually believe in depression myself. I don't believe in depression. A lot of people are probably going to attack me in the comments. Depression is real, blah, blah, blah. I don't believe in depression because I believe you can control your mind. I believe that your mind is powerful, and at the end of the day, you control your thoughts, you control your situation. Obviously some situations are beyond your control, but what I mean by that is that you control your thoughts, you control how to perceive situations, and you've just got to be positive consistently. You've got to be strong-minded, you've got to understand that life is tough, and you've got to be prepared to go to war. I mean, life is tough, life is not easy, life is difficult. There's a lot of difficult things that happen to a lot of people. At the end of the day, there's always someone worse off than you. Like for example, I'm in Dubai, right, and I see a lot of people working in this heat. They probably don't get paid a lot. It's something that is unfortunate, and this is why I say, like, you know, I'm not in that position. I could easily be in that position, and there's again always someone worse off than you. So this is why I say you're not depressed, you're broke, and if you want to be happy, if you want to be able to do things for the people you love, if you want to be able to travel the world, if you want to be free, if you want to have freedom, then you need to be rich. And I'm on a journey to become wealthy. I'm on a journey to become financially secure as well. And this is exactly why I've set up something called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. Now you're probably asking, what is that? The Ultimate Wealth Circle is a group of like-minded individuals who are all looking to make money online. And the reason I'm focusing on making money online mainly is because when you can make money online, that means that not only will you be financially free, but you can also work wherever you want. You are geographically free. This is what a lot of the globalists do, and they basically can make money from anywhere, which means that they can travel anywhere, they can change locations, they can live in one country for X amount of months or years and then move to another country. So again, the group is of like-minded individuals who want to make money online. We teach a lot of different things like drop shipping, affiliate marketing, coding, trading. Recently, I've been helping people make money online through digital products, because that is one of the best and easiest ways to become rich, which requires no money up front, and you can literally make money. You can literally print money. You can literally print money by having your own digital product. And I've got a lot of clients that I've helped and who've made quite a lot of money through digital products. So you've obviously clicked on this video because you're broke, or you don't have a lot of money, or money is tough, or it's hard to make money. If you do want to make money, if you do want to work wherever you want, if you do want to be financially free, if you do want to be geographically free, then I would highly urge you join the Ultimate Wealth Circle, because again, I'm helping a lot of people do the same thing. I moved from the UK to Dubai. Honestly, it's been amazing. UK is unsafe, it's cold, and Dubai is just amazing. I've got another video of me talking about me moving to Dubai, so if you do want to watch that video, I will put the link in the description and I'll put it at the end of the video. But yeah guys, if you do want to join the Ultimate Wealth Circle, make sure you click the link in the description. And again, I'm going to be helping as many people as I possibly can. Thanks very much for watching guys. Make sure you share, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys for another video.